Hey, it's Kat. Today I wanted to review for you this plastic planter and stand that comes together. I bought this tree last year and I needed something to put it into, and I wanted something pretty, something that would give it a little bit more height but not be too heavy. So I found this planter. It is a heavy plastic. I wanted something that almost had that terracotta look to it. So this planter and stand came together. You don't have to use them together. So if you don't want to use this stand, you don't have to. It was really easy to assemble. The instructions were great. So this right here is 16 inches in height. By the time you add the stand, it's 22 inches in height. The diameter is just shy of 15 inches. It's like 14.75 exactly. All I did was you put the stand together. It comes in this piece right here. It comes in these little legs, which is almost like dowels. You just screw them in and there you go. I filled it up with, honestly, the brown paper that you get in your Amazon packages. I keep that stuff because I love it as packing material. I filled all this thing up to the bottom. I stuck my tree in. I stuck some fake moss on top, and there you go. I love that it is light because it allows me to be able to move it, because this is actually where my Christmas tree goes during the holiday season. So all I did was pick it up and scoot it right over to the other corner of my dining room, and there you go. I would not hesitate to buy this in a different color and different size. Again, if I had a different need for it, very happy with this purchase. I hope this information helped you today, as if you're watching this video, that means you are researching this product just like I did at one time.